Critters, the DJI Mic tree is a game changer. 5 reasons it crushes the Mic 2. And number 5 is going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Reason 1. First thing you'll notice, these transmitters are half the size of the Mic 2. At just 16 grams, you'll barely feel them on your shirt. Plus, they've got rotating clips, magnetic mount. So setup is effortless. And yes, they even come with a colorful wood squeeze so you can match your style. Number 2, adaptive gain control. Forget blown out audio. The Mic tree adjusts your audio levels in real time. Choose between auto for unpredictable environment or dynamic for smooth, consistent sound in interviews or studio setup. Your audio stays crisp no matter what. Number 3, the storage is on steroids. The Mic tree has 32 gigs built-in storage, 4 times more than the Mic 2. And here's the kicker, it records 2 files at once, 1 raw, 1 enhanced. That means even if you mess up your levels, you've got a backup. 32-bit float recording is here for pro grading dynamic range. Number 4, the Mic tree lasts up to 28 hours with the charging case, compared to 18 hours on the Mic 2. And check this out, the wireless range, a huge 400 meters. All right. So I'm about to do a range test. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Still going. Still going. Still going. All the way down here. It's early morning, so I don't want to talk too loud. I'm gonna go around the corner. Still going. Okay. Number 5, the one pros would love. Time code syncing with up to 4 transmitters, guys. You heard it right, 4 transmitters. Plus 8 receivers at once. That's podcasts, interviews, panel discussion, you name it. Plus quadraphonic mode with selective cameras. You can record 4 separate audio tracks. This isn't just a system, it's a full production tool. So to recap, the DJI Mic tree is smaller, smarter, packed with storage, and it's a battery beast. Loaded with pro features. If you're serious about content, guys, this isn't an option for you guys. It's essential. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, guys, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And you might be interested in this video over here, check it out. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.